Good evening. My name is Ben Edwards, and I am running for the position of Solicitor General of Bulloch County. I would like to begin by thanking the Bulloch County Republican Party and all of Georgia for the opportunity to speak to you this evening. One of the most common questions I've been asked during the campaign is, what is a Solicitor General? The Solicitor General is the elected official responsible for the prosecution of all misdemeanor crimes that occur here in Bulloch County, for which the maximum penalty is 12 months or less. The Solicitor General oversees an office that is comprised of an assistant solicitor, a victim advocate, and a legal secretary, and is responsible for managing a caseload of over 3,000 traffic cases and over 2,000 misdemeanor cases per year. Let me take a moment to tell you a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Egypt, Georgia, in northern Effingham County, just 24 miles from where I am right now. When I was growing up, when my parents said that we were going to town, it meant that we were coming to Statesboro. I spent my freshman year of college as a student at Georgia Southern University. I then moved on to the University of Georgia, where I received my degree in criminal justice in 2000 and graduated from the University of Georgia School of Law in December of 2002. While in law school, I focused my coursework on preparing to become a prosecutor by completing the prosecutorial clinic program. After 3 years serving as an assistant district attorney in the Valdosta area, I received an opportunity to come home, and my wife and I chose to make Statesboro our home in 2006, and we have been here ever since. My wife Mandy, who I met while at UGA, and I just celebrated our 18th wedding anniversary this past week. We have 2 daughters, Allie, who is 15, and Eliza, who is 11. After spending 5 months working in private practice, I realized that my true calling was to be a prosecutor, and I have been working in our local district attorney's office since the fall of 2006. Throughout my 17-year career, I have served as the lead prosecutor on over 4,000 cases. Since joining our district attorney's office, I have served as lead prosecutor for over 3,000 felony cases throughout the circuit. I have been the lead prosecutor for over 40 jury trials, including those involving murder, rape, armed robbery, child molestation, domestic violence, assault, burglary, theft, drug offenses, and traffic offenses. I have authored approximately 20 appellate briefs and have had the opportunity to present oral arguments in front of our state's appellate courts. Community is very important to me as well. I feel that in order to adequately serve your community in an elected position, you need to be involved in that community long before you decide to run. I come from a family of public servants. My father was coroner in Effingham County for almost a decade, and my mother was a special education teacher. I was raised in church, and serving is part of who I am. Our family has been deeply involved at First Baptist Church since joining in 2006. My wife and I have served as co-leaders of the 11th grade Sunday school class for over 4 years. I previously served on our church's Policies and Procedures Committee from 2010 to 2013. I am also a 2018 graduate of the Leadership Bulloch program through the Statesboro-Bulloch County Chamber of Commerce. I am a member of the Downtown Rotary Club of Statesboro, for which I have served as the Public Relations Chair since 2017 and routinely participate in the club's community service projects such as the quarterly Willie McTell Trail Cleanup. If elected, my goal is to efficiently manage the caseload of the Solicitor's Office by ensuring that cases move through the court system in a timely manner, while also protecting the rights of all parties, both victims and defendants, that appear before the court. Specifically, this office has the responsibility of prosecuting each matter based on the facts specific to the case, while also taking into consideration how similarly situated individuals are treated in order to promote consistency in administering justice. While results are important, success should not be measured simply by wins and losses, but instead whether justice was done in each case. I plan to run an office that is fiscally responsible with taxpayer money by effectively prosecuting all cases in a timely and consistent manner. Ultimately, efficiency is achieved only when justice is done for all concerned. Achieving this goal requires an experienced prosecutor with the ability to be firm when the facts demand such, and compassionate when the circumstances are compelling and the law allows. I humbly ask for your vote for Solicitor General of Bulloch County, whether you are voting by absentee ballot or in person. To learn more about me, visit my website, votebenedwards.com, or like our Facebook page. Thanks again to the Bulloch County Republican Party and all on Georgia for this opportunity.